Hello, today I'm going to show you how to log out of Messenger on iPhone. Let's start. First of all, tap and hold on your Messenger app and click on Remove App. Then tap to delete Messenger from your phone. After that, open up the App Store and search here Messenger. Then tap to reinstall the Messenger app. Once it's done installing, click to open up the Facebook app. From your Facebook account, go into the menu from the bottom right corner. Then click on Settings from the top bar. Now click to see more in Account Center from the Meta account. From your account settings, click on Password and Security. You can check where you're logged in from security checks. Then click on your account and here you can see your account login activity. You can see all the devices where your account was active. Scroll down to tap on Select Devices to log out. Then select all the devices and log out your account from all of them. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.